Today I'm going to be making popcorn with the Whirley Pop Popcorn Maker. First, you add about a tablespoon, well, this is what I add, about a tablespoon of oil, and then you add half a cup of popcorn. Each one of these is a quarter cup. Each one of these scoops. Then you turn the burner to around medium-high. On YouTube, I've seen people use this pot for other things also. There was one guy who was making vegetables in here. I think it was like frozen vegetables or something he threw in. And he was stirring it around. What a great idea. And somebody else I saw was, well, not just one other people, a bunch of other people on YouTube are using this to roast coffee. Alright, here's one now. I'm popping. I'm starting to smell it. There it goes. And once it starts, it really starts. It really goes. It gets loud. They tell when it's finished popping, because one thing, the popcorn goes down a bit, and the handle gets hard to turn because it gets filled right to the lid with popcorn. So the handle gets hard to turn. And in this, every kernel pops. For some reason you don't wind up with any unpopped kernels that time. Turn that off. It feels like it's still popping. Maybe I turned it off too soon. Okay. That is good.